In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add end screens to your videos using your mobile phone, okay? End screens are those short videos like this one that you see that pops up on your phone or your videos when it's about to end, like the 2 to 20 minutes before your video ends. Those are called end screen. And trust me, end screen actually enhance your video's performance because it's actually help viewers to get to know about your other videos, okay? You actually recommend or redirect your viewers more by putting end screen in your videos. They'll be redirected to your other videos and thereby you get watch hours more than your expectations. Okay, so as a creator, you need to optimize your videos by adding end screen, and this is going to be the simplest end screen tutorial that you've ever seen. So please don't be in a hurry, just hold on and I'll show you exactly how I put end screens in my video. My name is Jogbo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I create videos on tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. If this kind of video you want to watch, please feel free to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your questions and contributions in the comment section, and lastly, share to your friends and families. Without wasting much time, let's just dive into my screen recording while I show you the simplest way and the quickest to add end screen to your videos. Let's dive right in. So guys, this is how you upload your videos correctly in order for you to get massive views and recommendation by YouTube, and as well add end screens to your videos. Okay, just follow me step by step while I show you. So first of all, click on Chrome. Okay, when you get to Chrome, you see this search bar. Just click on it and search for YouTube dashboard. I already have it here. Look at it, it's showing on my own already. So click on YouTube dashboard. Okay, now it's open. Click on this one that says share your video with friends, family, and the world. Okay, click on it and then it will redirect you from your normal YouTube studio to the desktop site. That's why you need to download Chrome if you don't have Chrome, because Chrome helps you even if you are using a mobile version. Okay, so now what we're going to do is upload the video, because if I'm going to show you how to post your videos without using that public icon, I'm going to have to upload another video. Okay, because if I'm going to show you how to post a video by an add end screen to it, I'm going to post a new video. Okay, let's just click on this arrow button that is going up, or this create. Either one of them can work. So let's click on this arrow going up, then click on select files. This is how to upload videos. Okay, don't need to use that plus icon to upload your videos. Please always make sure you use the Google Chrome dashboard, because you will soon see why. So because I changed my video name, okay, which is why you need to use Chrome, I click on choose files. Okay, I'll not click on phone gallery, because I already changed my video name. I have a video where I talked about that. I will attach it to this video, okay? So you can go ahead and watch why I had to change it. And if you observe, I've changed it and I saved it to files. So click on this. This is the video we're uploading for this tutorial. I get 4,000 watch hours. I'll just go ahead and click on the video and click on open. So it's loading and you see the benefit of changing name. Are you saying it now? So look at this place. It says file name, get 4,000 watch hours fast using these proven strategies. Are you saying it? Because I've not even typed the name or the title of the video, but the YouTube app has already automatically fetch out the title of this video because I changed the file name. So make sure you watch that video so you can understand how to get your own done like this. So if anybody is searching for anything relating to this, my video will be recommended because this is the name of my video. Okay, so now that we are done with that, I don't want to waste time. I will be adding description later after this tutorial. So this thumbnail is where you add your thumbnail to. This one upload file, you can either use one direct thumbnail or you can use Let's Cap and YouTube generate for you. Or this test and compare means you can use up to 2 to 3 thumbnails. Okay, if you don't have a choice, like maybe you don't know which one is better in 2 thumbnails, you can just create 2 or 3 and then upload everything. YouTube will show it to different audience. So at the end of the day, YouTube will choose the one that has the highest click-through rate. Okay, that's what that test and compare does. Then this way you add the videos to playlist. We'll just quickly add this one to my YouTube growth tips because that's where it belongs to. Okay, if it was live streaming, I will still add it to live streaming. Click on done. Okay, now please, this audience, always leave it as no, it's not meant for kids. It's very important. So your videos will be recommended to adults. So click on that see more or show more rather. With altered content, click on no. Your content is not altered unless of course it's altered, but mine is not. So I'll click on no. And then let's just quickly run through all of this. Every other thing here, I leave it on because YouTube turned it on. automatically. So I believe it's useful. Automatic chapters and the rest. Then this place publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. Please always leave it on just like this. Allow video and audio remixing. Yeah, you're just growing and it's good to allow people remix your videos. YouTube will still know that you're the one that owns the video. So that's just like free advertisements for you. Do you understand? And then this category, please make sure you choose it. How to and style. That's for me. So depending on the niche you're doing, please pick your category according to your niche, okay? If you open it, there are different categories right here. As you can see, music, news and politics, and every other category. But mine is how to. So I'll just click on how to and styles. And then the next thing you do is to click next. Okay. Yeah, so this is where you add the end screen, like I've told you before. This is subtitle. You can actually add subtitle, but because it's a new video, you just posted it, it's still processing. Subtitle is not yet ready. So you come back and do that after like 10 minutes. I have a video where I also taught how to put subtitles that you can actually reach a broader audience, whether they are English countries or non-English countries. Okay, you can actually put subtitles in France, Germany, Spain, Spanish, Indonesian, Hindi, whatever language you can put or you want your videos to be translated in, you can actually do that in subtitle. I have a video on that, so go through my channel and I'll also drop the video link here so that you can actually see for yourself, okay? So that's for that. Then this is end screen. This is a very important part. So click on end screen. As you can see, it's asking you to, okay, end screen has opened. And as you can see, these are different templates that YouTube has created, okay? I like to use, if you want to use this first one, this second one you're seeing is where your picture will stay. Like when somebody clicks on this particular one, you can actually direct them to subscribe to your channel. And these two videos you're seeing, you can put one video or you can also add a playlist. If you're choosing this particular option, look at it. Mine has popped up. Are you seeing my video, my picture? So when somebody clicks on this, my picture at the top right corner, you can actually subscribe to my channel from there. And then for this element, I like to uh use this end screen. I like to use best for viewers. This is my YouTube growth tip. First of all, I add my playlist. Okay, this is my playlist you are saying there. Then this video, I like to select video element. I like to select best for viewers. Some people can select most recent upload, depending on the one you want, or you can choose a specific video if you want a specific video to actually play to your audience. Probably you were talking about something like a continuation video, and then the part one is already uploaded. You can actually choose specific video to explain that part. Do you understand? You choose specific video and attach it to this particular video. And then for me, I like to use best for viewer because all my videos are no, there are no continuation, okay? I just explain everything in each videos I create. So it's not continuation of each other. So I believe YouTube can actually know what's best for my viewer and recommend as such. Okay, so this is what I use. You can use most recent upload as well. So when you are done with this, the end screen usually shows from 22 to 20 seconds of the video's end. Okay, let's say the video wants to end. As you can see here, it will be at least from 20 seconds to the end of the video to start popping up. So now that you have fully put your end screen in this video, you can now go ahead and save, but you have to be sure that it's showing. This best for viewer is loading already, is there. Then this is the playlist. So you can as well change the playlist. Are you seeing it when you click on it, just like I'm doing? Click on it, you can as well change the playlist to probably your live stream or any other playlist that you want to add. Just basically play around with it, but this is where you put your end screen. So click on next and save. Are you seeing it good? The line has sticked good. Okay, this is cards. You can actually add cards too, but I mostly don't use cards because I feel it will actually redirect people out of the video I want them to watch. When you're watching a video, you should at least give that video 3 to 5 minutes of your time and not just click on cards and go to another video. Okay, unless of course I put it in a specific place, but I don't really bother myself because my end screen actually does most of the work. So all I have to do is click on next and save this video. Okay, that's it for end screen, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.